Facebook Live. Hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, so happy hour with Jamie. I don't know how many of these I've done, but this is, I don't know, it's got to be up in the 140s now, 150 or something. I've been doing these Facebook Lives since COVID started, what we call COVID. Since the beginning of March, I went on and I started doing a happy hour every day. And I've been not as great on Tuesdays and Wednesdays as I have been in the past, so I'm pretty much doing them Monday, Thursday, and Friday consistently. I will try to get better. I know we do a Aroma Thyme wine time live on Tuesdays typically, and Wednesdays typically I have the night off, so I usually don't do a happy hour live. So hope everybody's well. Hello Jen, hello Sabrina. Thank you everybody for watching me. If you're watching this live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate everybody's support. It's been awesome. Aroma Thyme is open inside now. We have been open inside. We just, depending upon the weather, we'd seat out back in our garden or inside in the restaurant. But on a night like tonight where it's super cold out, people don't really want to sit outside, so we will do inside dining. Make sure you call and make reservations, 647-3000. We only have a certain number of tables, so make sure that you get a reservation. Make sure that you give us a call, and I appreciate everybody. Our grocery orders, I can see are on the rise this weekend. Everybody is starting to think about staying inside as it's getting colder, restocking their freezers, which is an awesome idea. The Neapolitan pizzas that we have, if you get our emails, our email has a picture of the margarita pizza. They are frozen right from Naples. Put it in your freezer, pull it out when it's ready to cook, and within 10 minutes, you have a pizza ready to go. It is awesome, delicious pizza. So we have a broccoli rabe. It's a white pizza with mozzarella cheese, and a margarita pizza. Those are available for $10.99. If you watched my Facebook Live yesterday, I actually had one in hand. I don't have one right now. But our wine store is open, but our grocery store is open. You can order groceries. We will put them out in the car for you. We have ribeyes, we have wild salmon, we have sable fish, we have mahi-mahi, we have maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, you name it, we have a lot of it. We have pastas, we have cookies from Bread Alone. I have bread from Bread Alone available. Most people, it's probably not on my list, but I have focaccia, and I also have some olive bread that came in yesterday that I froze, so you can get that as well. I love their breads if you're local and want some bread. Let's see, we have coconut milk, we have olive oils, we have rice, we have spelt flour, we have pomegranate juice, we have, let's see, toilet paper. I'm just kind of looking, walnuts, maple syrup, I think I said honey. We got lots of cool stuff. So if you are looking for groceries, go to aromatimebistro.com and scroll down on the menu, and you will see our grocery list available there. We have wines, we have beer, we have liquor, we have this awesome new Howler banana bourbon, which is to die for. My staff is loving it. We sold 2 bottles yesterday alone to go. It's $30. It's awesome. Yesterday, if you saw my Facebook Live, I made a Manhattan with it. It is delicious. So anyway, so we got lots of stuff. You can come in, you can do your grocery shopping. As the farmers markets start closing, we'll start putting groceries like fruits and vegetables out again so that you can come in and see what we have. And I am going to make my drink of the day. It is a full mule. It includes this cinnamon whiskey, which is Friar Crotch. I'm going to add a drop of the organic Granger's vodka. You need a ginger beer and apple cider. Sorry, it's in this container. My container broke, so I put it in here. Yeah, so we're going to mix this up. We have a mule glass. I'm going to fill it with ice. I'm going to add an ounce of the Friar Crotch, which is our cinnamon whiskey, which is similar to, I don't even know the names, like, what is the name of like the Fireball? Sorry, Fireball. But this is better ingredients. Comes from Jersey. Awesome, awesome distillery. 1 ounce of vodka. Sorry you can't see me pouring. We are going to add about 2 ounces of apple cider, and we're going to top it off with the ginger beer, the Q. I love this Q. We also have this for sale here at Aroma Thyme. So pretty much you can get all of these ingredients here at Aroma Thyme. I'm going to add a splash more of the cider just to top it off here. I'm going to mix it on up, and let's see how this tastes. Ooh, does that speak fall? That is a fall drink. You don't have to have it on the rocks. We can just put it in the mug without it being super cold. I don't know, maybe we could even warm this. I've never done it before, but I bet that cinnamon whiskey in apple cider warm would be delicious. So that's probably a video for another day, another one. But this is pretty cool, nice. It's, you know what, I want to say it's refreshing, but it's just really tastes like fall in a cup. Cheers to everyone. Aroma Thyme is open. We're open this weekend. We have takeout available as well. Hello Sean, hello Kim, hello Carol, hello Charlene. Hello everybody. Thank you so much for your support. Grocery orders, you can call them in. You can email me info@aromatymebistro.com. If you get it into me by 2 o'clock, by 2 o'clock, I can most likely have it ready that day. I was trying to do Mondays and Thursdays for pickups, but you know, as we're slowing down, as it's getting colder out, we can do other days of the week. Just give a call, 647-3000. Hello Richard, hello Lynn. Awesome fall mule. It has this is called Firecrotch Cinnamon Whiskey. It has Granger's organic vodka. It has apple cider, local apple cider, and ginger beer. And I actually think this needs a little bit more cinnamon whiskey in it, so I'm going to add a little bit more. What a nice drink, a nice fall drink. I know I love fall time. I love everything about the fall, except for when it gets cold like today. Hope everybody is safe out there. Hope you phone, which I think they did. Awesome. Patrick is answering the phone, so call. Oh, hair down. I haven't seen that on live streams. Oh, yeah, I actually got my hair cut today, so it happens to be down. I don't normally do my live streams or work with my hair down, but I have it down. Thank you, Richard. I appreciate that. And so we have reservations available tonight. We are open. You can take out to go. Our whole menu is available. Our groceries are available. We are busy. I'm going to enjoy my fall mule. Hope everybody's awesome. Hello, Tom. And we have a wine dinner on Monday. Monday night, we have a wine dinner. It's going to be Spanish wines. If it's cold, we'll do it inside. Tables obviously separated. Give us a call to make that reservation. It's $25, 4 wines and a dish. Can't beat that for $25 on a Monday night. And let's see, we do wings to go on Monday, $9.99. Or sorry, buy one get one free wings. Thursday night is $9.99 burgers to go. And all weekend long, I forgot, all weekend long we are doing $9.99 mussels to go. So I think it's a pound of mussels for takeout only, $9.99 all weekend long. Call your order in, place your order for mussels, $9.99 all weekend. White wine garlic sauce, yep. And that is all weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So starting right now, we are open. Hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Stay healthy, stay well, and we'll see everybody soon. Sorry I have so much information. Thanksgiving, I forgot about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is to go only. That will be coming out in the next week. So have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on Monday.